Yeah. Fuck, this is what photographers and videographers do, eh? Just record fucking wood and shit, record the fucking sand. Is that what you want me to do, cunt? Huh? Yo guys, so we're here on the beach at like it's fucking -5 degrees. कब तक हम यहाँ पे खड़ा के ठंडा लगे, and I don't know where my driver is. Driver, यहाँ तुम वहाँ कौन सी करे? Hey, चलो वहाँ पे.
Yo, what's up guys? So as you can see, it is 5 o'clock in the morning right now. We're trying to get this beautiful sunrise.
अभी तो 6 बजे.
As you can see, we have our main model for the day, Mr. Navchan.
Yo, fuck, these guys are making me carry a chair on the fucking beach.
He's been so
Fucking hate you, bro.
Hey,
Should we start up
chill.
So if you guys don't know, Nav's a shooter on the files. He's trying to learn how to use the camera and trying to get some of the B-rolls. So us, post-production, we're trying to teach him the basics and try to get him up there. He's paid for the course.
Yeah. Fuck, this is what photographers and videographers do, eh? Just record fucking wood and shit, record the fucking sand. Is that what you want me to do, cunt? Huh? Would that make your video look fucking mean? Fuck. You're like silhouette is.
Huh?
You're like silhouette.
What about now?
You're not that way, or?
Yeah, that's why I came from this
Yeah,
side.
shut the fuck up, man.
Fuck you.
You don't know.
Fuck you, bro.
No, you don't talk
you
to
don't
me,
teach me, bro.
Fuck you, don't know shit,
teach
man.
me. So, what our idea for today is, we're gonna try to use the sunrise and the ocean and try to merge it with Photoshop. So we've got the stool, right? And we're gonna use this stool and make us levitate
How you gonna do that?
like this.
Yeah.
Fuck you, guys.
Hey guys, so with our Photoshop photography, we're gonna use this tool, and we're gonna use Nav over here as our model for the first shot. So what are we doing? The double exposure.
We're making him levitate.
We're making him levitate.
Yeah. Alright, Nav, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put you on the stool, right? We're gonna take a clear photo of the background, and then we're gonna remove the stool so it looks like you're levitating in the air. Sweet. Let's have a go. Okay, see.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Yeah, he doesn't know.
Get slapped on your socks with a dot, so I red man's top with a splash, not one. 4-wheel drive thing dong on the up block, play with your up, get done up. I'm in the teeth for my funds up, pebble and local, smashing it up, sir. Quick. Man really do up the trap up. Fam, man really done pack the cash. Sad man pull up on the up estate, turn up the hash. Smoke, man kicked out doors with shanks and leave with cash. Money, bands, man really do up the trap. Bands, fam, man really done pack the cash. Money, sad man pull up on the up estate, turn up the hash. Smoke, man kicked out doors with shanks and leave with cash. So do it in cars, man make ups cut real fast like Lightning McQueen. Man trap, I'm slapping fiends, not literally honest to bumping me. Blacked out to the T, gotta be discreet.
Hold on.
So you can see, guys, this is a pretty dangerous stunt to do when you're at the beach. So make sure you guys are safe.
Ain't just a stunt master now.
Oh yeah, plankchi. Abs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I came up with this idea on the spot. I was thinking, imagine if we get a photo of Nav, like a picture of Nav, a silhouette, and then we can put another photo of Nav inside his face and flip it around. How cool would that look? Do you guys know what I mean? Do you see that? We're gonna do that.
I don't know what he's on about it.
Do you know how we're gonna do that? This is how we're gonna do it. So yeah, bro, not right now, can't. So now we're gonna go for the portrait for Nav, so we can use that as oh look at the cute smile.
Man really done pack the cash. Sad man pull up on the up estate, turn up to hash. Smoke, man kick down doors with shanks and leave with cash. Money at bands, man really do up the trap.
So unfortunately, because of my driver, we got kicked out of the beach. So we have to go back home.
Hey, don't lie.
Hey, fuck! I don't.
You're the one who was taking photos of those naked people.
I don't even. Hey, I don't even have a camera, bro. My god.
Alright guys, so we just wrapped up our video. We got the 2 photos that we needed, the levitation and the portrait. So I just want to say a massive shout out to our friends and family that join us all the time to support us. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and just leave a comment so we know that you guys are actually watching us and appreciating the content.
If there's anything you want us to do, or if there's anything you don't like, please let us know and we'll try to improve on, and we'll make more better videos and do better stuff.
Thanks guys, if you liked what you saw, let us know. If there's anyone out there that can be better partners than these guys, then please hit me up, and we'll see you on the next video.
If you want to collaborate, then let us know. Hit us up on our Instagram, give us a message on Facebook. We're always open to work with new people, try new things. So yeah, and stay safe during COVID, which is almost over I guess, but if it does come around again, stay safe.
Alright, this was post-production, signing up.
Arey, Mongo sura politics.
This video is sponsored by Snapchat.
Fam, man really turn pack to cash. Sad man pull up on the up estate, turn up to hash. Smoke, man kick down doors with shanks and leave with cash. Money at bands, man really do up the trap. Bands, fam, man really turn pack to cash.